Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to BrainWorks. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your BrainWorks account in no time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into Google Chrome right here, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap into that and let's type in BrainWorks login since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. It may take a while, okay, and you'll be greeted with the login page. You can see two empty fields over here. All you have to do is fill in that. You have to type in your username at the very first field, and at the second field, of course, you have to type in your password. And if you want this website to remember your information, you can tap in that square button, that tiny square button like this, and it will be marked, but let's leave it like that for now. And also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this option right here that's in the blue lettering that says forgot your password. You can simply tap into that and it will help you through. And you wanna view courses, maybe you can tap in this option right here that's in the yellow button, that's a view courses. And if you are not a customer and you want to register, you can simply tap in here. So that's it. Since we have already filled in the information, all we gotta do is tap in that blue button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your BrainWorks account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. We'll see you in the next video.